Say hi, guys, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Hi guys, good morning you all. How are you all doing? I am sure everyone is doing fine and great. Well, today is a very special day because I am, as you can see from the description below, I am leaving for Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Yes, this will be my first experience traveling as a passenger through international flight. So come along with me. I will be showing you inside the airport all the process and everything. So come along, guys. So finally, it's time to say goodbye for now to my lovely roommate. I know we never told each other I love you, but deep down we saw through our actions. If you're watching this video, I wanted to tell you that I love you. You are the best roommate I've ever made and will be the best. It's bittersweet when you're starting a new chapter in life without your go-to person. You're more like a sister, a friend, and a mother to me. Thank you so much once again. I love you. Thank you so much for being there whenever I need you. Guys, we have reached the airport and here are my luggage. I have a lot of luggage, so I took extra help from the porter, which I paid extra charge for this. And here we are. Let's get inside. Hi guys, they are here finally. My favorite is Hi. Chalo, let's go. Hi guys, so finally we are here inside the airport. I couldn't record all the process of video recording is not allowed inside the custom security and everything. So I'm done with everything. Now we are going to the gate. Our gate number is 11. See you guys here. We're getting inside now. Hi! 여러분, hi, hello. Hello, how are you?
Yourself?
Thank you. Yes, we're all together. So guys, this is Malaysia. Say hi to my children. So let's go.
Brought up. If an emergency evacuation becomes necessary, leave all your belongings behind and proceed within your respective.
So guys, we have reached finally Kuala Lumpur. We are on our way to the hotel. We did this man nak tahu deh. So here we are still in the airport, and our team member I'll show you. Team member, say hi guys, everyone. She forgot her lock. And she's not going to take back the lock. Still struggling. I'm sleeping, okay? Bye bye. Good night. So we'll be here for another 24 days. Thank you so much for checking in. I'll finish my vlogging here and then I will see you guys in my another vlog. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye bye.